The goal is to win. Doesn't matter if you feel down, if you feel depressed, if life is not going your way, if your business is not doing fine. I do not give a single beep. The goal, the mission is to win. So many people think that success is optional. It's fucking not. And until you realize that it's not fucking optional, it's either you're win or you fucking die. Because anyway, what's the point of living a life full of mediocrity? Like, I remember taking the fucking bus. I don't want to go back to taking the bus. And I don't know how anyone accepts a life of taking a fucking bus. And a bus here is just a symbol of, like, you could be going to the gym in a GT3. You could be going for more. But why are you okay with mediocrity? I just don't understand. Like, how can one see all the amazing things, all the potential of the world, and then you go back to your own little problems, your own little situation, and then you crumble under the pressure and let the pressure influence the way you're gonna dream, the things you're gonna go for? What? Someone is looking at me yapping, but I'm gonna focus on the mission here, guys. Like, I don't know how I can share my enthusiasm or my energy with you, but like, for the love of God, borrow a little bit of the courage, borrow a little bit of the confidence, because you guys would be surprised by the simple fact that all it takes is a decision, that you're gonna go for it all, and that you're not going to stop until you win it all. Not gonna trade, not gonna settle for 10K per month. You're not even gonna settle for 100 grand a month. You might not even settle. Maybe it's not even about money. Maybe it's about how you look. It's about your relationships. It's about the person you married. It's about the relationship between you and your kids. It's about the future you want to provide to your kids. Why are you settling for average? Why? You're only getting this lifetime once. It's not coming back. You don't get tomorrow again. Shit, you might not even get tomorrow. Today might be your last day. Some people aren't going to make it to tomorrow. But we live this life as if we have something to lose. You have nothing to lose. The way you came on this planet, naked, with nothing, you're gonna leave it the same exact way you showed up. So, like, it's all a win. Go for it all. Inspire yourself, motivate yourself, and go win. But the saddest thing is to wake up every day and watch these people online and look at content and then be like, oh, it must be nice to live this life. Oh, it must be nice being good. It must be, oh, this person is lucky. Oh, they just are smart naturally. They just didn't sit there for thousands of hours mastering different skill sets. Always trying to find something to blame. Oh, this person had it this way. Oh, this person looks good. Oh, they're aesthetic. Their Instagram is aesthetic. But the guy literally spends, like, every single sign of greatness, every single level of greatness, regardless of the field, takes a lot of work. And you have to start acknowledging that, because the longer you don't acknowledge it and just try to say, oh, other people are just lucky and they're just getting rich off of just not working hard, or just like, they're just cheating the game. No, they're not cheating. They're doing what you aren't willing to do. And you can either keep lying to yourself and making yourself feel better about it, or you can be real with yourself and commit to the simple fact that you're gonna can make it work regardless. If you're not winning, you're losing, you're failing. And if you set your goals to like 3K per month, oh, I want to make my first 3K per month with my little fucking business. No, you're losing. You're trying to set it up to a 3K per month so that even when you fail, you're like, oh, well, I can go make that at a job. Small goals is a sign that you don't believe in yourself. Stop that bullshit. Go for big, go for it all. Go for it all. I mean, literally, go for more than you even know that is even possible. Wake up every day. Tell yourself that you're the greatest person that has ever lived and that will ever live, and go get it done. Go prove to yourself that you are who you say you are, and put some numbers on a fucking board. By the way, doesn't have to be a business. Even at your job. Are you the type of person who just yaps all day long and knows that you're not really doing what you're supposed to be doing, but then you go to your friends and you just complain about your work? Is that really who you're going to be? The person who under-delivers at work, at school, in relationships, in friendships, in family time, but then goes around complaining about other people. Oh, this person on my work. Oh, I hate this manager. Oh, I hate my family member this. Oh, this person is so toxic. Oh, I unfollow this person because they're talking. No. Who cares? Are you fucking winning or not? Be honest with yourself. Be honest with yourself, guys. And like I said, I needed to hear this more than you need to hear this, but it's my way of communicating it. But guys, I'm just tired of seeing people, whether that be in my environment, around, could be clients, it could be, clients are going to see this message, right? If you're not getting what you want, are you going to blame someone else? Or are you going to take matters into your own hands and say, I need to find the answer and then I need to execute on it? And then if the data shows that it's not getting better from the new actions, then do I stay kind of like focus on the path that's currently not generating the results that I want, but just keep trying to force it? You're trying to punch through a wall. No. Business is easier than that. Business is all about demand and supply. So this could not be working, and tomorrow you could start something new and have it work amazingly. It's okay to pivot. It's okay to allow yourself to fail and pivot. That's the greatest sign of success, by the way, guys, is someone who's willing to recognize when they're doing something wrong and then allowing yourself to fail so you can go find a better path to win at. But most people's ego is tied to the fact that they're supposed to win at the thing they wanted to win at, the way they wanted to win, and just show other people that they have to prove them wrong. No, bro. No. You have no one to prove wrong. People don't care about you. You might not even care about yourself. Why do you expect that someone else cares that you become successful so that they can think about you and be like, oh wow, this person proved me wrong? When's the last time you thought about someone who won or who failed for more than like a scroll? You have no one to prove shit. I don't have to prove shit to anyone watching this video. I'm making this video because I do what I want to do because I know what it takes to fucking win. I have to become a motivational speaker. But guys, allow yourself, if something is not working, take a different path, especially to you guys in business. My God, your offer not cooking, change that shit. Use Cook AI. Find a better path. Find a better market. I literally today I'm not trying to promote. I'm not going to use this to promote. Don't worry. AI can find you the truth, guys. Today you can go into any market, find the top 1% of what they're doing and replicate it before the end of the day. But most people are still out there just being like, hey, I'm trying this, it's not working. Oh, I'm trying this. Oh, no. If it's not working, I don't care. What is the next best step to fucking win? I don't want to talk about, hey, I don't want to hear failure. I just want to hear, what are we going to do about it? Think about failure that you're experiencing and ask yourself, am I doing everything to win at this thing? If you are, and it's not working out, do not spend any time worrying about how you feel. Do not spend time being worried. Do not spend time being stressed. It's useless. None of those shit matters because we're all going to live this earth with nothing. I'm not going to bring this car in paradise. I don't know if I'm going to paradise, but I've been cooking my whole life, so I don't know. Wherever I go, it's fine. I'm not going to bring money. I'm not going to bring, guys, everything we have, we live here. That's why for me, my greatest dream of winning in life has always been about, imagine if I create so much wealth from being great at what I do, that I'm able to take care of everyone that I love. And we can, every single moment of presence, we can enjoy it to the fullest. Not from, are we going to buy a glass? Or are we going to buy a bottle? Or, oh, who can come to dinner? Oh, I can't come because I can't afford it. Oh, hey, I want you to get out. Let's go to Rwanda. Let's go see family. Let's go see grandparents. Hey, I don't want to stay with this home. Okay, perfect. Let's get the home. Let's find the villa. Let's get it. Hey, I can't afford to fly with my kid. I got to go see. Hey, say less. I got you, right? There's not a single experience that I can't provide to the people I love in this lifetime. And that has always been my goal, because all we have is this lifetime. What are you saving your life for? What are you saving your potential for? For the next lifetime? It's not a savings account. Life does not have a savings account. Every day, that's all. Today, what did you do? You're afraid to post content. Okay, so you're saving your message, your potential to who? Like, you don't want to express yourself? You don't want to start a business? Okay, perfect. Let's say you keep doing what you've been doing. Is that a life that you're going to be okay with and you're going to be proud of? It's fine too. People might not have aspirations to do business and to create a business that generates a lot of money. But find another passion. Find something you're going to dedicate your life to. But the worst thing you can do is just be passive and full drift mode in this lifetime. One of the greatest books that I can recommend you guys is this book called Outwitting the Devil by, I think it's probably Napoleon Hill. He talks about this concept how humans, majority of society, are just drifting throughout every day. Waking up, they don't have an aim, just letting TikTok guide what they like, letting people do content influence their mindset. And you're like literally zombies logged into the screen like this. And like it's dopamine here. It's like we're like rats nowadays. Just waking up, just consuming everything. You're just consuming. You're just a fucking consumption. You might as well be AI. We literally might as well be AI. There ain't no difference between, people are afraid of AI, but it's like, you are an AI. Everything you desire, everything you do is all influenced by an algorithm. People think they're using AI. No, AI has been using us. We're literally slaves to this technology. It's been years of this. That's why it's so important to remind everyone that like you have to fucking win. And winning is in your own definition. Figure out what winning is. For me, winning is becoming my best self, becoming the most dialed person that I can become, and just being able to express my abundance to the world. Hopefully inspiring some kid in a basement somewhere, trying to figure out how to pick a niche, you know? Oh my God. It's so easy to win, but unfortunately you will forget. You will forget that all it takes is for you to just remember that your number one goal is to win. Audit everything in your life right now. Is it helping you win? And is it, most importantly, reminding you that you have to focus on the main thing all day, every day, not put it off to later. You don't have no later. Now is the time. Okay. I'm going to go work out. I'm going to hit a sauna session. Just focus, just think about what I need out of this life, understand what I need to cut the waste on, and, just go impact the world. The best thing I can offer to the world is myself. I can only be myself, and hopefully the world takes it in. The path to winning is just give. Wake up. What can I put into the world? A piece of content, a little bit of mindset session, a little bit of, strategy, tactics. Give someone something. And now you have these algorithms that just distribute the content for free. So you don't even have to say, oh, I don't have money for ads. Who cares? Yap all day long. But look around you and find the greatest person that you can see, that you can find. At some point in their life, they made a commitment to themselves, which is, I'm going to win no matter what. And the point of this video, the point I wanted to share in this video is ask you, have you made that decision yet? If you haven't, then do not act as if you're about this life. I hate people who say they want better, more out of life, but then when you look at their habits and you look at the thing they feed their mind, it has nothing to do with the requirements of winning. So you're better off choosing. If you're going to be about this life, act like it. Don't be a Don't shy away from the chaos, from the fear, from the project, from the trenches. That's the way to your goals is through the chaos. It's through the pain. It's through it all. But understand that within all that pain, within all the stress, within all the entropy, you will come out of it. You won't even recognize yourself, because even when things are up or things are down, you're going to be so grounded. It's almost going to feel like, you might as well be Superman or Superwoman, but in real life. And people love to look up to. People are seeking for figures to inspire them, to show, to represent a symbol of strength, because everyone is looking for that inspiration. And, maybe today I am yours, but if you're not willing to go through the fire, please just call it a day and just accept mediocrity and stop putting pressure on you for you not achieving the things you see others achieving or that you say you want, and reduce the stress. Stress, or this thing, is created from the fact that you say you want something and then you don't have it. So therefore you're stuck in between. You're like, oh my God, I'm reminded that I'm not where I need to be. I'm reminded that I'm out of shape. I'm reminded that I don't have money. I'm reminded that I'm not that, intellectually dialed in. It's okay. Just say you don't desire none of these things, and all your pain, all your doubts will vanish. But this video, I make it for all the natural born leaders. I'm here with you guys. I'm cooking, and I'm about to get into that mode. Summertime is the best time to cook. Yeah, guys, please change your life. And I'm going to be here grinding alongside you guys. And I built Cook so that all of you guys can cook, right? Everything that AI, what's good and beautiful about it is that it's just going to, democratize cooking. And every day I'm working towards building this thing so we can share it with the world, and we're getting so ready to do it. But today I want you guys to commit that you're going to change your life and you're going to inspire everyone around you. And yeah, experience life a little bit better, You can take the bus, or you can go to the gym in a GT3. It's still A to B, point A to point B. But there's just a little something about pulling up in a GT3, you dig? Anyway, ciao.